This isn't ShamWow. This isn't BananaWow. But this is GetChiWow. Look. You gotta spell. Oh no! What are you gonna do? GetChiWow. Oh! No, you can't see water. No, look. What? No water. Oh no! What happened? Oh, clean it up with a GetChi. Oh! Oh, look. Camera guy, follow me. Camera guy, follow me. Look right there. You see the water? Look at all this water in there. Look. Put the GetChi in there. Oh, look. Look. It's not dripping. Look, no water. I don't know what you're talking about. No water, see? Look. Oh, clean up this mess. 50% of the water right here. You follow me, camera guy? And the other 50, I don't know the other 50, but just clean it up. You don't want to waste water, somebody drink it. Nobody wastes water. Oh no. But this GetChi doesn't drip, see? So look, slap it against the thing. Doesn't drip. You can clean your countertops. You could clean fridges. You could clean sinks. You could clean your floors, your socks. And you could even clean people. Clean the hair. The GetChiWow comes for $2,000. And if you guys want it, you guys call. Wait, you could do one more thing with it. Follow me. Did you finish your homework? No. Hit your kids with it. They didn't finish their homework. But it comes for $2,000. And the number is 250-635-8787. But you know we can't do this forever, right? So we'll give you guys some good drinking water absolutely free. So that's 2,000 and 2 GetChiWows for $2,000. Call now at 250-635-8787.